This would prove difficult hanging like this,
Yeah.
but that may be a better option
Yeah.
because if you can hold it firm enough,
That might
then
be a two-man job.
yes, then you can come down in that format.
Yeah. Doesn't quite. Yeah, you're right. It does need to be flat. Oh, you got a bit there. Yeah.
Yeah, yeah.
And obviously you go with the grain of
That's it.
the
Yeah.
yarn.
That's it.
Okay.
Yes.
Yeah. So where are they sold? They're sold in different. That's different retail places. I
Well,
like
that's
both of them.
it's not really sold very much retail. It's
Yeah.
sold in
Yeah.
what I call non-traditional markets more than anything.
Yeah.
They're sold online. And they're sold by direct sales,
Yeah.
and they're sold amongst the horse and
Yeah.
pet trade.
Yeah.
Yes, yeah.
Okay. All right. Well, that might be all now.